blessed be his holy name. He's worthy to be praised. He's worthy to be praised. Yeah. Can I steal it? Bang up. It's a real massacre. Check! Rastafari. Yeah. Oh, na 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 na. Na 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 na. Yeah. Ooh. If the shepherd's asleep, my son, the sheep will have gone astray. Hey, everyone's taken to their own way, and I can see the wolves and the leopards encamped around since yesterday. But you know that the wicked are playing. From the pages of old, I see men always want to take control. Envious greed I see in their eyes. But the Father of love protects me. I'm safely lying in his fold, singing his praise for the good times road. I'm walking on the right road, and only Jah can help me take the overload. Only Jah love can set me free, walking on the right road. The blessings of God is all over me. He opened my eyes that I can see. When it seems there's no way, I pray, and all my troubles are taken away. Let them be up with the things that I say. We were meant to be free, my brothers. Fight up this mental slavery. I'm only trying to bend his blessings that keep walking on the right road. And only Jah can help me take the overload. Only Jah love can set. Come again, come again. Rastafari. Well, na 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 na. Ooh. Wrapped around his golden throne, rest upon the seas of justice. And sleep, and shall live forevermore in my house. There's a picture on the wall, Rastafari. Take it. Hold it. South Sudan, how you feeling? The vibe is feeling like it tonight. It gets better with time, right? So we found Glen Washington from out that London. So we
Best nigga, this the one. Shit.
It's mercy and Glen Washington. Let's rise and shine and give God the glory. His mercy is no way for me. Make me free like the birds in the trees, gonna sing and shout its praises forever, so the world can see. Give thanks and praise to His Majesty, the wind that He hears, the conquering lion, and He can set you free. The children bird when you rise and see. The meek shall inherit the earth, and the wicked shall get his reward. They promise to give you the world, but don't listen to the voice they are proud. They'll never get away, no, 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 no. Ooh, man, if you're weary, tired of having laden, you're burden, you know you'll be healed. Shall we protect you so have no fear? You shall be like trees planted by the rivers, living with humbleness near. No more in the meek shall inherit the earth, and the wicked shall get his reward. They promise to give you the world, but don't listen to them boys they are proud. They'll never get away. Certain tune. Rastafari, bless you. Listen. He who seeks of only vanity and no love for humanity shall fade away, fade away. He who checks for money wealth and not for his own physical health will fade away. Hear what I say. Fire upon them, yeah. Let's rise and shine and give God the glory. His mercy endure. Give it up, give it down, down. Give it up, give it up, give rise and shine. Let's rise and shine. La la la. Oh, la 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 la. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Rise and shine. Rise, rise, rise up, my people. Rise and shine. Rise and shine and be your brother's keeper. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. I always say this. My greatest wish in life is to see a United States of Africa. Music for the masses. Hey! knew when to pray. From the very first time I looked in her eyes, I knew love would last forever. It's a blessing to be with someone like you. No, baby. Come again. Every time I see you, I get weak. I try to talk to you, but I couldn't speak. It never gave you love like I want you, girl. It never gave me your love. You never gave me love like I want you, girl. You never gave me Can I stop now? Can I stop?
No way!
Songs for the lovers.
You will stop in Jamaica!
All the lovely ladies in the place.
You will Jamaica!
Love to see your face looking so good, so delicious. Music for massive. And with this feeling we have should be followed, then you would see a grown man cry. Rastafari. Consider me, baby. Consider me. I know you try to be a big girl. And keep your tears from your eyes. No, baby. Oh, it's gonna be hard to lift your head high. Na. What do you do? You're gonna need a man. Man, I will understand. Consider me. Ooh. Oh, all your friends act like you all alone. Oh, and all the time you never been my own. Everything you're gonna need a man. I put myself in you to stand. Darling. Please consider me. Consider me, baby. Let's have some fun on this one. Ladies, let's get on. Baby, let's get on. Let's make baby. Let's get consider people with so much to give, understand mission. Since we're better to do, nevertheless we know that I love you. Ooh. And nothing wrong with me loving you, baby, nothing. And giving your step to me can never be wrong. If the love is true, oh yeah. Consider me, baby. Listen to this one. Consider me, baby. Oh yeah. I stopped sending flowers to your apartment. You said you want to know what you know. I stopped dropping by without an appointment, a little darling. Cause I heard not to come in. You ain't sure no boy. Get up tune. Ladies. Let's play the tune, man. I need more time in your life. More time, more time, more time. Remove all the hard, take and strike. More time, more time, more time. Ooh, you just have love on me now, baby. I can't get free. Can't believe I'm not doing this is reality. There's never a time I'm thinking that I don't think of you, baby. So deeply in love I'm sinking. I don't know what to do. Into the picture. This love is so high, we can't get over it. Oh no. We're feeling so right, we can't get around. When we trust in the powers of the Most High, we'll be satisfied. Forsaking all confusions, mixed with foolish pride. For the rest of my years I'll be here, standing by your side, baby. And always doing good to those who will take me forward. If you pick it up in this love is so high, we can't get over it. Oh no. We're feeling so right, we can't get around. A man got to be at home to see his children grow. Exalting truths and rights, and what's the right to? Now if I should lose these feelings, I won't know what to do now. Cause I'm really not full of those guys, just passing through. I need more time in your life. I've got to have a time to judge to make things right. Remove all the hard, take and strike, and right now what I'm thinking of. I'll be down by the river. alone. My desire is to have you at home. You're much more than a baby mother. I would not win. You're a gift to me from the Father. I'm bringing Isaac to Almighty Judge. Rastafari. What I'm saying, I got no time to play, no baby. All my plan is over. You got to settle down, I can leave my life alone. Please say hello, as a house you got to hide. When you're sitting there alone, I could get you back. Teach them roots and culture. No, baby. Any question they ask me, answer. My life belongs to you, girl. Don't you know we were made for each other? What I'm saying to you is true, I couldn't give my life to no one. No, no. I just can't find this feeling. I'm trying to picture levels and I can't let go. To have my cake and eat it too. I'm so confused and I don't want to lose. No, no, no. But this feeling's got me casting time. And I can't be in two places, not at the same time. Sometimes I wanna run away. I wish it was best together, baby. But you love me on and on. On and on and on and on and on and on. You love me on and on. Don't you run now, you can. You never get away. I want you slip through the sand. And if you run, you don't hide. Cause I've got the big rock. Rock on my hip now. Oh, easy. Don't you touch my darling. Oh, easy. I got the voice of the leader. She look at me and break ya. And if you try my trick, and then if you do it break ya. 50 cents a slip, in a dollar a quarter. But you get dying for hunger, and dying on a sofa. So please don't take it easy. We will beg you a chance, just let me ask you. Rastafari will bless you. On the floor, she comes out wanting some more. I don't know what it is that I've got. She whispered it was so nice, but her man was sitting across the way, and he could hear what words I saying. So we watches from the corner of the bed. I said, when you like this, will you so well? He's standing in our way. Listen. Standing in our way. Standing in our way. Yeah. Right on bar. Next two. Hold it. I write 99% of what I sing. And this was a song that I wrote when I went to Jamaica. Laying in a bed in this strange woman's house. And somebody came from next door and peeked through the window and saw me laying there. She didn't know that I was not asleep. I had my eyes closed. I was listening to her. She said, "He married." A foreigner, he married. Him having a girlfriend. What a go on? Hook me up now. Yeah, I heard that. And I put pencil to paper and wrote this song. Now she's asking friends about me. She wants to know if I'm single and free. Now that she realized that I am just a friend, she wanna get next to me. I heard it through the grapevine. I heard her knock on my door early in the morning, about 3:45. And as I open my eyes, that's when I realized she wanna. That's the right way. Come, I'm just passing, minding my own, friends and leave a crazy woman alone. That's when I realized she wanna get next to me. Get next to me, baby. You know, your heart could be a danger. Giving love to a perfect stranger. Give love to me. What we be must be get next to me. Hey, sing with that. Sing with that. We have over 40 albums. You can't spend one night at the 1, 2. Ladies! to say. Your friends tell you it's no future in living a merry man. I see you when I walk, I see you when I care. I don't wanna be right, I love the way you sing. I don't wanna be right, no, no. I'm not one to fall, if you know what you do. Girl, I got a right to do the feeling, depending on me too. I'm not one to hunger, but the difference thought to touch. Maybe I got someone else at home who needs me just as much. And I'm wrong to give you love to another man. I'm not one for trying to hold on to the best thing I ever had. I don't wanna be right no more. I don't wanna be right. And I'm willing to give you love to. Yes, hold on the king, hold on. I will be married man out there tonight with other people who man, you know that, you feel the vibe. Come on. Oh, my, I'm pressing on right now to the mouth of the higher calling. There are obstacles in my way, but I don't worry because I'm feeling falling. Now the King of Kings is alive. I'm adhering to my master calling. Though I see tribulation and strife, whoever is praising and singing, one of these fine days, you're gonna meet again. Homes are on the highest region. One of these days, you will meet again. Get with me for the party, and one of these fine days, you're gonna meet again. In peace and harmony. One of these days, you will meet again. One day, one destiny. My hope might be hard, but I promise to lighten my burden. Only in Jah do I trust. Listen, how could I not pleasure to this woman in love and unity? No fussing, no fighting, just like this united in peace and harmony. The blessing of joy is forever. Come on in, baby. This one now, we want some time on this one. See, I've been looking for this one. That's the fun. Wait, sit down here. Ladies. And those only, it's a private party. Don't need no money to qualify. Don't need no checkbook. Bring it broken out. It's members only tonight. See my lips on my gun. Members only. It's a private party. Don't need no money to qualify. Throwing a party for all of South Sudan people, yeah. Members only. I can't even make her sing songs like this. Listen. So sorry for me that I just can't stand the pain. Girl, I'm leaving you tomorrow. It seems to me, girl, you know I don't know like that, yeah. You see, I beg for and I borrow. That's why I'm easy. Easy like Sunday morning. Why I'm easy. Easy like Sunday. I'm kind of ready when I go out and sing songs like this. Listen. Hey, that's a song of the man working on the train. Yeah, that's a song of the man working on the train. Yeah, that's a song of the man working on the train. Yeah, that's a song of the man working on the train. They go out and sing songs like this. Listen. Cupid, roll back your bow and let go now you go. Straight to my lover life and me. Nobody but me. Cupid, please hear my cry and let go I will fly. Straight to my that's the song of the man. Any matter words of the Lord, Robert, Estefan, and his soul was in peace. Take it on, Lord. We'd like to sing this one for you and yours. Some goes like this. Thank you, Lord, for what you've done for me. Thank you, Lord, for what you're doing now. Thank you, God, for every little thing. Thank you, Lord, for you make me sing. Continue to the praises that we always sing. One of these days, one of these Fridays. And suddenly we're like two peas in a fight. That's the way we will be, oh man. Maybe just wait and see. Some people may try to keep us apart, but they can't change the feelings deep within my heart. I know that for sure, I love you much more than you can imagine. Girl, my love is for real. There's no other love that I can feel. You gave me a smile and you went away. I pray to God that one day you will come back and stay. I open my eyes, that's way Okay, Maureen. Come here, look. She knows back home, singer. She's a real singer. Come sing this tune up to the people. Make sure the microphone up. Sing with him. Hold on, let me to understand so some of my people in there. All the Jamaicans in the place, people.
I heard 2 Jamaicans in there. Where are you all at?
All the Kenyans in the place. Big up place, sir.
Ethiopians?
All the South Sudan and large. Love the Jamaicans, love the spirit. The vibe is right. The mood is feeling mellow. Right now, I would like to ask my lady to sing this song for all the lovers in the place.
Oh,
yeah.
All right, this song is dedicated to all the lovers in the house. We got some lovers in the house tonight, right? Yeah? Celebrating some anniversaries? There you go, baby girl. All right, this song is for y'all.
Somebody turn on my microphone. Hold on. How can I jealous you? Turn up my mic, man. What are you doing? Yeah. Let me hear it in the place. Come cross.
Stay around you, and so
Let me